Hi, my name's Dominic Bett-Johnson. I'm a SAP Business One expert at Quintech Business Management Solutions. This is one of our tips and tricks videos for Business One version 10 Feature Pack 2102. In this session, we're going to have a look at address formats and how to work with them inside Business One. So first thing I'm going to do is create a sales order, and then we'll just have a look at the address formats that as they currently work out of the box. So we're just going to choose a customer here and pop a few items onto the sales order with a multi-select option, so we can choose multiple items. And then if we have a look at the logistics tab, we can see that we've got a limited amount of information about addresses in the ship to address on there. Quite often there's more fields available in SAP to use than we currently have available. So we need to know how to change it so that the fields that get populated inside of there fit the requirements for both yourself and also for the business partners that you're working with. So underneath the setup for business partners, we have the address formats. Within the address formats are the addresses for all of the different countries around the world. So I'm just going to choose United Kingdom and Ireland. And you can see here that what we saw on that ship to address, the limited amount of information, is all kept inside of here. And at the moment, we've got more fields available on the right-hand side than we are actually showing. So it would be nice to add some more extra fields in there to allow us to put more detail into the address field box. So a hidden feature in SAP is this ability to add rows to documents. And if you right click, you can just go and do that. And I'm now just moving the field I've created up the table. And I'm dropping in the address name 2 into there. And I'd also want to do the same for address 3. So I'm just going to create another add row and then drop that address name 3 over there. I could move some of these fields around if I wanted them to look differently down the bottom, but I think that's going to look okay. And a nice new feature that SAP have introduced now is for it to be able to hide empty lines. So if there is nothing in address 2 and 3, that won't print or show on any of the documentation. So if we now come back to our sales order, we're going to create another sales order now just to see what this will look like. I'm just going to drop down and pick up Mashima again, pick up an item, and then go to the logistics tab. You can see the address is still as it was before, but I can now add in extra details against the address name 2 and the address name 3. So I'm just going to type in a couple of extra bits of detail about this now, some fictional addresses. And also do the same in address name 3. And we'll just click update on that. And it's also, the address is held per row as well as for the whole of the document. So you can now see that it's now showing that in the right format that we've asked it to do. So you can do that for not just the UK and Ireland, but you can do that for every country around the world. So if there are some specific requirements that certain customers would like to see, then you can always change those addresses. So that's just the end of that for now. Thanks for watching. There will be more videos available on our website, so please go on there and have a look and catch up with some more things you can do with SAP. Thank you for watching.